Today I will show you the results of the winter pruning on my young apple tree. This is what you get when you prune your apple tree in winter. In the spring, the tree has flower buds all along the main branches. This bigger branch, for example, has about 15 flower clusters, with each cluster having around 5 flowers. It means this branch alone can have up to 75 apples if the flowers all get pollinated. 75 apples on a branch no bigger than my finger is way too much for this young tree. So this summer I will surely have to prune some fruits. You may have noticed that some flower buds are farther from the main branch like this one. But that's okay, because lower on that side branch, there is a couple of not fully mature flower buds. They will grow this year, and during the winter pruning, I will be able to keep only the flower bud closest to the trunk. Here's another example, a flower bud at the end, but a not yet developed flower bud lower. This winter I will cut here and keep the one closest to the trunk. Soon I will make another video to show how to choose which apples to prune and which to keep. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to like or subscribe.